back to my channel. My name is Sindy Akpolo. This is your first time joining my family. Thank you guys for joining the family, and for my old subscribers, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you guys for your love and your support. You guys have been real and amazing. You guys have been super amazing, and thank you guys for 1,000 amazing subscribers. You guys are the real G. Like, I can't thank or appreciate you guys enough for the support, the love you guys have been giving to me, or you guys are giving me on my channel here. But I just want to thank you guys and appreciate you. I truly appreciate you guys from the depth of my heart. I just want to say thank you. You guys have been real. God bless you. To do a beginner friendly makeup step-by-step guide, a simple makeup to achieve a flawless finish. So yeah, stay tuned. And they have a collab with an amazing YouTuber as well. Her name is Angela Bella. She's amazing, so guys, go check her out. What she has on the channel for the collab is why you should get married in your 30s. So I'll leave her channel on the description bar, and I'll leave a channel so you guys can check her out, check or visit her channel. And yeah, just you guys show her some love. She's one amazing YouTuber, and you guys should show her your support. And yeah, let us all grow. And let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, I'll be doing my brows on camera. I have a detailed brow routine on my channel, so if you guys want to see an updated brow routine, you guys should let me know in the comments. But I'll link my how to do my brows in the description. But for the sake of this video, as a beginner's guide, I just want to do my brows on camera. All of the products I'll be listing, or all of the products I'll be using, are drugstores, affordable products, so you don't have to rob a bank to start or build your makeup. So this is like a beginner's makeup kit, if that makes sense. So you don't have to rob a bank to get some of the products or a few of the products. You can make do with what you have. Get yourself a drugstore affordable makeup. You don't have to get all of the high-end makeups. You just need a few of the, for your beginner starter kit or starter guide, whatever makeup product you have, you can make do with it until you grow or get your kit, as some of those big YouTubers have. So you don't necessarily have to rob a bank to get most of the products. So I'll be using the Davis pencil. Don't mind my pencil, I've used this pencil, so I love using this pencil. This is one of my OG favorite pencils. If you guys don't have, well, this is actually mostly common here in Nigeria, so you can get any of your beauty supplies from some of your drugstores, your probably visit altars for those who are out in the States. But for my Nigerian friends, you guys know the real deal. We use Davis pencil here, and this is being sold for 100 naira. How cute is that? So I've used the pencil. Don't mind how short my pencil is. So this is the Davis pencil I'll be using to draw my brows. So I'll be applying my setting powder on my brows, just to keep my brows in place and for me not to produce oil in that area, because I produce oil on my brows. So I just want to make sure that I don't produce much oil on my brows and my brows sit in place. I'm using my spoolie to brush up my hair straight like so. So your spoolie, you don't really, if you don't have a spoolie, you can use your mascara wand, your old mascara wand. You can turn it to this. I got this from my makeup kit. So it came along with some of my brushes that I got. So I have a 24 brush set, so it was included, or it came together with the brush set, so I really didn't have to buy a single one. But if you have your mascara one, you can make do with your old mascara one. Don't throw it away. It's very, very important to keep them. Let me fill in the brows. The concealer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro concealer. This concealer is a must-have. There is no YouTuber that I know, or big YouTuber, that does not have this. This is an OG, the OG of all concealers. Is a must-have. You must have this in your kit. So I'm just going to apply that at the back of my hands, at the back of my hand. Clean the bottom of my brows like this. I'm still going to clean the top of my brows. I'm just going to buff or clean the top to blend everything out. So this step is very important too. Even if you're not going to wear your makeup and you just want to do your brows, this step is very important. Make sure you brush this out, clean it out to look very neat. Moving on to the skin, I'm gonna moisturize my face. So you need a moisturizer. This is the Zikel Cosmetics 24K face serum. This is a Nigerian brand. So you need a moisturizer. It's a must-have. Whether you're wearing the makeup or not, you need a moisturizer. So always have a moisturizer in your kit. And moisturizer is good for everyone, whether you have a dry skin or oily skin. It's very, very good. So I'm just gonna apply 2 drops, and this is water based, so you need a moisturizer. Just try and moisturize. It should be part of your everyday routine, whether you're wearing wearing makeup or not. I don't know how many times I've said that, but whether you're wearing makeup or not, you need a moisturizer. It is very, very important. It should be part of your everyday routine, morning and night. So I'm just gonna let that sit into the skin. Let the makeup sit, or whatever you're applying on the face sit. So I'm gonna allow this sit in the skin for 15 seconds, which is about enough time to let it do its thing. Job done. So moving on, I'll be using for primer, I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte primer. This is a very good primer for oily skin, and it's put into the skin. So I'm gonna apply, yeah, about this much. I'm gonna apply that onto my skin. I'm gonna apply that on the areas where I tend to get oily, like that, my T-zone. Like we did the moisturizer, we're gonna let this sit. So if you're super oily, you wonder why you're very oily, moisturize. If you have a dry skin, you wonder why your skin is very dry and flaky, moisturize. Moisturize my lip, because I forgot to do that. Moving on to foundation, and for foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation. This is my OG foundation. I'm just gonna dab that into my skin. So as you can see, and it's very runny. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is also a very good concealer. It is very natural. I need this concealer. So like he said, it is a dupe for the NARS Radiant Concealer, and I really love the coverage of this concealer. Using a damp beauty blender. I forgot to damp my beauty blender, so I went ahead to damp my beauty blender. So I'm just gonna press that in. So the reason I'm still working this right in is to make sure that this sits in, so it gives me a bit of coverage. So the trick to it is letting your concealer sit in for a while, and to get you a bit of better coverage onto your skin. But not all concealers you can let to sit in on your skin. Like, okay, let me say it right, the right way. Not all concealers you can allow or let to sit into your skin for a long time, because some of them tend to dry down fast and then cake up, so you have kind of problems working or blending it to your skin. So you just have to find the right concealer that you can let to sit in for a while to give you better coverage, if that makes sense. So while they talk, I'm just going to blend this right in, and I think it is now ready to. To set my under eye, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder. This is the full coverage powder. So the reason I'm using the compact powder to set my under eye is so there won't be like kind of like a separation from my concealer, between my concealer and the powder. So all of them both sits into the skin. So I'm just going to tap like this. You can use a powder that is your exact skin tone, or a powder that is one shade lighter. So the trick is, this is very good for those of us that have under eye creasing. This is very good to set with this, your compact powder or your powder palette, lighter shade or your exact skin shade, before going in with your setting powder. So my eyes are creasing right here, so I'm just going to press that in. To set my under eye, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 30 medium in 30 medium deep. So next, again, I apologize if I'll be using Maybelline, or if I'll be talking about Maybelline. Maybelline is a very good, very good drugstore product. To set the other part of my face where I didn't apply concealer on, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in 355 Cinnamon. This is a bit darker than me, so don't sleep on Maybelline. Don't ever sleep on Maybelline. Maybelline is one good finance product that everybody needs in their life. Don't sleep on Maybelline at all. If you don't have Maybelline in your kits, especially their skin products, better do yourself a favor and go get it. Moving on to contour, I'll be using the Zikel Face It Powder palette. So I'll be taking this shade. Which is like, so I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Fixing Spray. So I'm just going to set my face, take off the powder for a flawless finish. After spraying your face, setting your face with a setting spray, go over with a powder, a setting powder again, or a loose powder. So for me, I like using the black opal oil blocking powder. This is very good because I have oily skin, so I tend to always reach out for this powder. So this is the black opal oil blocking powder. I'm just going to press that into the skin, this time pressing it gently. Any form of eyeshadow on my eyes. So for liner, I'll be using the e.l.f. liner. To line my waterline, I'll be using the Zaron eyeliner in Skyline. So this is a Nigerian brand, and I love lining my waterline. It just adds some beauty to it, so it is also a very good step. Next up, for mascara, I'll be using the black opal volumizing mascara. So I have super curly lashes and shots. So for highlighter, I'll be using the Romantic Bed highlighter in terracotta. I love it, and it wasn't that expensive, and it's so good. Like, so can you see how natural that looking is? Like, so for blush, I'll be going in with the Kiss Beauty blush palette. I'm taking this blush here. Who doesn't need blush? Everybody needs blush. Let me know if you're a fan of blush. If you watched up to this point, let me know if you're a blush fan, and if you're not, let me know. Next up, moving to lining the lip. So to line the lip, I'll be using the Zaron lip pencil in clay pot. Next up, for lip gloss, I'll be using the Americo lip gloss in Debbie Says. So guys, there you have it. This is the finished look. Here is my beginner friendly makeup, and yes guys, so guys, don't forget to check out my amazing YouTuber friend Angela Bella. So like I said in the earlier part of the video, we have a collab. So she has a collab where she talks about why you should get married in your 30s. So guys, check her out. I'll leave her handle, as I said earlier, in the description box down below. So check, guys, just show us some love as you do, and stay blessed, stay fabulous, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you've not done that already. And thank you guys so much once again. Thank you guys for the amazing 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 love I got from you guys. You guys have been super amazing and supportive. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. One love.
Baby, I want solo.
Don't forget to stay hydrated. Yeah? Forgot to include this. So